Hello, this is Jane Zeta. I will be demonstrating my code for Chapter 3, homework number 12, which I will have my turtle test draw a face of a clock that looks something like that on the right side of the screen, and then on my left side is my idle, and the bottom is the idle shell. So first I will create my turtle's environment by importing setting up the environment for my turtle test. This creates the screen and the background color. Let's choose light green. And I will name my turtle test. Tess's color as blue turtle, and I want to make sure that her shape does look like a turtle, because that's what the homework says. And so right now, I want to create a turn sequel that will help me evenly spread my clock by 30 degrees. So turn sequel. So the whole circle over 60 divided by 12, and then now I'm going to start with my for loop. So first I want to have Tess pick up her pen. Hover forward 100. Have her stamp a turtle for herself, and then forward again, -10. So that means she goes back to where she came from 10 units, and then now I want her to put down her pen. So while her pen is down, I want her to move forward another -10 units. So she creates that line, and then I want her to pick up her pen again, and then forward. So I'm going to put -80 so that she's exactly back to where she was. Tess to turn right using the turn sequel. So she turns exactly 30 degrees. So and then let's see if it works. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.